Tam Nguyen, and I'm currently a federal employee with almost 10 years experience in cybersecurity. Let me talk with you about IronUTF, which is a ViolentUTF Defense Module. Uh, so basically, ViolentUTF is a red teaming tool for LLM, and IronUTF is a module that provides custom protection for AI endpoints. So IronUTF allows you to implement security measures and modify AI interactions in real time. So basically, it's simulating a defense layer for AI endpoints within an organization. But you can also use IronUTF to experiment and developing defensive measures for your LLM endpoints. So IronUTF have two main components: the prompt guard and the prompt decorator. The prompt guard has two sub module. The content filtering module basically blocks prompts that contain specific patterns or keywords, and then the allow patterns is like a whitelist control that allow only prompts that match certain approved patterns. So we're not going to focus on the deny patterns, and to demonstrate the effect, we're going to use simple chat, which is also a application included in the ViolentUTF suite. So, but first, let us confirm the LLM endpoint that we're going to work with, which is Anthropic Cloud 315 Haiku. So to hit that, we're gonna, for simple chat, we have to select that endpoint as well to demonstrate effect. So it's done. And let's just put a regular prompt. For example, tell me in one sentence, what is quantum computing? So this is a regular response, and we're gonna put in a deny patterns, and I prepared several ones in here, common ones, and paste. And one of this is jailbreak. So basically, if the system sees a prompt that has the keyword jailbreak, the system will not process the prompt. So in order to set this up, we also have to enable AI prompt guard test to make sure the thing is working, and then apply configurations. So when we apply this deny patterns on Claude 3.5, when we go to here, and I just put in the jailbreak keyword. Let's see. So in this case, the system immediately deny the prompt. So if we remove the problematic keyword, the prompt got allowed, and the system processed the prompt. So that's basically the prompt guard, the features, the key features of prompt guard. For prompt decorator, prompt decorator is a kind of system context screening. It adds consistent system prompts across conversations. And if we look at it, we see that you can either prepend or append the context. And you can also append the context within certain roles. Here we have user and assistant. With certain endpoints, you also have like system role. So to demonstrate the effect of appending a certain policy on, let's say, the user prompt, we're not gonna use any real policy. Just I'm gonna just use one fun policy saying always add a Chuck Norris joke by the end of the response. So once again, this is just a fun policy, but organizations can use this mechanism to enforce certain policy. Like for example, if you are a law department in a company and you use a chatbot, you can set up policy that says only answers when the prompt is law related, for example. But here we just put a funny policy like this: enable Prompt Decorator test. Okay, and then apply configurations. And for the same prompt here, the previous response is here. Let's just generate a new response to see. So as you can see here, besides the response, the LM follows the policy that we set and include a Chuck Norris joke in here. So that's briefly what is the IronUTF console is about. I got a guide file for more details on how to use this component in ViolentUTF. And in the next demo, I'm going to demo ViolentUTF, the main feature of it. Hoping to see you there. All right, bye-bye.